Hello and welcome to another video from DIY PC Repairs. This time we're going to take a look at upgrading to Windows 8 from XP Vista or Windows 7. At the moment this is Windows 7 and a lot of the Windows 8 programs now are upgrade. You can either buy it from the store or you can download it from Microsoft. But what I want to look at now is just seeing whether your computer and the programs that you use on your computer at the moment are compatible with Windows 8. So what we're going to do is we're going to open a browser. And you can see here that I've done a search for Windows 8 Upgrade Assistant. Now, once you've done that search, the top result here will give you Upgrade to Windows 8. It's a Microsoft page, so if we open that, that opens us up onto the Windows Upgrade page. And you'll see here that we have a Download Upgrade Assistant. So I want to left click that. That's going to start the download. I'm using Chrome here. If you're using Internet Explorer, you'll have the same thing. You'll just get a run box as I have now. So we want to go ahead and run this. User account control as usual, so we'll click yes. That's going to start the Upgrade Assistant. Now it might take a little bit longer to run on your system. I haven't got a lot installed on here. If you've got a few programs, it's going to take a while to just go through them all. So once the program's had a look at your system, you're going to get a list of what's compatible and what isn't. So you can see here that I've got 5 apps and devices that are compatible, and I've got 4 items that need review. So under here you'll see that we have C compatibility details. So if we open that, it's going to give us a rundown of what's compatible and what isn't, or what may need extra work. So you can see here that need to install an app to play DVDs. Sidebar gadgets aren't supported in Windows 8. You'll see that Microsoft Security Essentials isn't compatible. Now if you're using that, don't worry. Windows 8 comes complete with Windows Defender, which is the same thing as Security Essentials, and basically that's all you've got to look at. Underneath you're going to get your programs that are compatible. Again, you'll have a longer list than I have here. So once you've reviewed that, click close. Now you get the option on here to actually download Windows 8 if you would like to buy it, so we'll just take a quick look at that. So if we click on next, this is going to ask us what we'd like to do when we install Windows 8. So you can see the 3 options that we have. We can keep Windows settings, personal files and apps. Now if you're going to upgrade to Windows 8 and you want to keep your programs on and not have to reinstall everything, and you're happy with how your computer's running, you can select that. If you just want to keep personal files, photos, videos, music, as long as they're in the default places within Windows at the moment, we can select this and those files won't be deleted, but everything else will. You'll have to reinstall all your programs and your apps. And then we've got the third option, which is to keep nothing. That'll give a full format and remove everything, personal files. Again, if you've got everything backed up, you can do that, or if you've got nothing of any importance on your computer, you can run the nothing. So I'm just going to keep personal files. If I was going to upgrade, I already have, but this is just showing you. So we click next, and this is where we get the option to download Windows 8 Pro, and we get a price and an order button. Once you click on order, you'll start on the purchase side of things, and we'll leave that for a later date. So that's a quick look at how we can check for compatibility with Windows 8 in your computer, and I'd like to thank you for watching.